Hello and welcome back to another episode of The House, honey. This is the friendship, and today we're going to be touring this home. This is another manufactured home. Specs will be somewhere in the video. So this was a simple tour. It definitely is not like shaboom, bang, boom, huge and extravagant like some. But the reason why I love this home in particular is because it is so cute and charming. Here is the floor plan. So pause it, check it out. This is all the specs. Yeah, it's so cute and charming. To me, it's giving beach house, vacation house type vibes. And so I am living for it. I don't like the decor that much. It honestly, but it kind of matches it too. I don't like it, but it kind of matches it, if that makes sense. Yeah, I mean, look at this living room. It is, hey, you know what I'm saying? It's giving discount home, nice beach section sale, buy one get one free. That's what it's giving. And I actually do love this kitchen. I'm gonna stop playing now because I don't want to rub anybody the wrong way. It is cute. It has cute accent stuff, But this kitchen I do like a lot. I love the light countertops and then that wraparound island for like some bar stools. I like that. It's really cute and simple for this floor plan. You've got the laundry hookup right there in the kitchen, dining room, breakfast nook area. I think that's convenient too. And it's just cute. So I had a subscriber actually tell me what those lines are. I don't know if you guys watched a couple episodes back, but the lines that are going up the wall, those are in some manufactured homes. And I learned they are batten strips. Batten strips. Check out the website, like the video, and subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be bringing you so many more manufactured, modular, model, different types of homes. I love touring them. So anyway, those are batten strips, and those are in a lot of the basic, what's a better word to use? When you don't add in all the upgrades and you don't add in on the price to get those removed, that's kind of what they have as the basic foundation. So if you decide that you want to go in and you want to throw some more money into it to get those removed, you absolutely can. And this is the bedroom number 2 according to the floor plan. Because I didn't know what was going on, but yeah, I got turned around in this little thing. See, they don't have to be all big just to get turned around a little bit. I got a little thrown off in this one. I really did. But it's bigger on the inside than it looks on the outside. And I like that too. Let me think of some really, really nice things to say about this home. Oh yeah, the electricity was out in this home. So I'm so sorry for the dark bathroom, but I tried my best to do some editing to lift that, the lighting, the exposure. I'm still learning that. I don't really know about exposures and all that stuff, but I tried my best. Anyway, the electricity is out in this home. So we are relying on strictly natural light, which luckily there was a lot of. Here's the master. Again, a really nice size. Do you guys care about the batten strips? Like, how do you feel about those lines that go up and down? I think, if I'm being honest, I think that's what a lot of people think of who aren't familiar with the making of manufactured homes and the whole manufactured home world, who are kind of just, completely closed-minded and against these types of homes. I feel like those little details, like batten strips, things like that, are the reason why they are kind of, so close-minded. But these days, there's so many different upgrades that you can get done with these homes. You can get a smart home that is a manufactured home. There's just so many things that you can do, and they're getting more and more modern. They're getting more and more modern as time goes on. So, I mean, yeah, they're dated, the batten strips, but that shouldn't be anything that steers you away, Like, imagine the possibilities in these homes. That's the beauty of these homes. People sleep on them. Honestly, I did too in the beginning. I really did, because I'm like, I want to see model homes and, but these are giving you a lot of bang for your buck. Here's another front look at the front space. Yeah. Anyway, don't sleep on manufactured homes. This is where it's at. Check out the website. Love you guys. Bye.